Hello! So kahit mga eggs, meron dito. No. Thank you. Tignan natin. Ay, bunot ako. So bumili kami mangga ni Kuya Ronnie. Mangga. Mantay lang. Matamis? Matamis sa mangga. Kami dapat na. Ano, quail? Quail egg? Mangga, thank you. Ang mabait ng mga tao dito, kahit yung hihindihan mo sila kasi hindi ka bibili, hindi sila masungit. Kasi iba masungit, diba? Dito hindi. Ang dami din ng fruits. Gusto mo bili ka din? Oo ba? Sawadee ka. No, thank you. Thank you. Ano yung kwan? Hindi ko mapil itong... Ay, sorry. Ito. Sa kanyang sausawan. Oh, di ka. Hi. Hi.
Anyong.
Guys, medyo traffic na dito. Hi! Puro coconut pala yung mga ano nila.
Bibili ba tayo ng red magnet?
No?
Red magnet.
Ikaw, ako hindi ako bibili. Parang gusto ko t-shirt yung mga bilhin ko sa kanila. Sige, bili ka lang. Kaya nga mga bahay nila. May mga gandang bahay din pala. Siguro likod to. Oo, kasi harap. Salili ko na tayo dito. So guys, we're shocked because may picture kami dito. Can I?
ใครวะที่ให้เด็ดปากเขาวะมาขายพี่ต้อมขายกบ
But it's too expensive. 100. Pero mahal. So guys, nakikiusap ako sa kanya. I hope she can give us 500 baht for 3. Please. Please. 500.
700 baht, okay, half you and half me. No more price 900 discount
Sige,
already.
500 muna kung natin dalawa.
Tag-isa tayo.
Oh.
Again?
500.
This one. Thank you so much. So guys, bababa kami dito kasi nandito daw yung sa tribe na long neck. So pupunta kami dito. Hi! Sawadika! Let's go. Medyo mainit lang. Pero let's go. Sige. Sige kayo, kunyari pa ba ako? Kunyari pa ba naman talaga. Where is the long neck?
Naliyan.
Okay, let's go.
Naliyan ko.
Where? So they always put the number here kasi mamaya sa picture. Follow you? What's your name?
Mod. M-O-D.
What is this tribe? Is this a tribe?
Long neck.
Long neck? Okay. Let's go. Yung mga turista dito nagsisibaba. Ay, kala ko ikaw yung kuya oh. Kamukha mo. Ikaw talaga may lahing ano ka rin eh, no? Same picture lang kita. Sa madami tourist dito nag-stop kasi dito yung mga long neck. So nakikita ko lang siya sa TikTok. And may elephant din pala dito. Look oh. Elephant. Ay, monkey kuya oh. Oh, nice. I will follow you. Ah, look at that. Ano, gusto ko din makita yung elephant na maliit.
One neck photo with baby elephant 100 baht.
Later. Okay. Long neck first, okay? The long. Here, we will follow her. Boom. So guys, papunta sa long neck. We need to ride how many minutes from here?
ได้ฟรีๆตัวโปรแกรมค่ะ
How many minutes?
Up to you.
Up to us.
You can take photo with long neck and inside up to you.
Okay. So, depende pala sa amin. But from here, going there, how many minutes? From here, we ride this?
2 minutes.
2 minutes. Okay. So, sasakay pa kami ng buggy. So, let's go. So, we're going to... Where are we going? Long neck. Ay, look. Dito. Sa ilalim ng tulay kami dumaan. Long neck. So napakadami namin pinuntahan ni Kuya Ronnie because this is our last day here. Oh, ayun sila. They have a big long neck. Them? Only there or where? We're going inside. Yeah. Okay. Hi! Sabi ka. Ay, mga leg. Ay, napahaba. Ay, makikisakay sila sa amin dito. May mga mahaba pa leg. Hello! Ang ano dyan, nakita ko dyan, lagi nilang dinadagdagan yung sa leg nila para humaba yung leg nila. Oh, nandito na kami. Hello. How are you? So, nandito kami guys sa long neck. Hello. So, eto sila. How are you? Ay, ayun, napakahaba. So, eto ang haba ng leg nila, lalo na itong isa, sobrang haba. Oh, nice.
Ito muna.
Take photo na ba?
Yes, I take care you.
Okay. Ano mo na video mo na. Okay, here, yes. Sorry kaya ako.
How long?
Go.
How long?
Oh, very long. So guys, look, ang haba ng leg. Can I touch? Oh, nice. Very
How long?
Super long. Oh, take photo. Come here. You're so beautiful.
ของกูเดี๋ยวกูไปกิน
Guys, that phone, the other one. My phone.
Yes.
Okay. Hey guys, ito na.
This, kaya tong phone.
Sa akin.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Can I touch like this? Can I take a photo like that?
1, 2, 3.
ถ้าบิวผม
Yeah.
You put your tongue like this, oh.
Portray.
Like this one.
Gagi. 1, 2, 3.
Hello. You're so nice. Thank you so much.
So, pagkano pa?
Like this, like this.
Ah,
Like again.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. More. 1, 2, 3.
Thank you so much. Ay, ganun, ano ka naman? Ay, go.
This one.
Yes.
Pasok tayo. So, pagkatapos na nagka-picture, papasok naman daw kami dito. Okay. Ah, dito pwedeng bumili. Ayan. This is for
200 baht.
200 baht. No discount.
You buy 3 at 500.
3,500. Not bad. We want t-shirt. We will look for
You have
t-shirt,
t-shirts?
okay? We will roam around. So alam nyo guys, nakakatuwa dito sa Thailand kasi yung mga yung mga tribo nila is inaano nila.
picture
Ah, picture. Can I see? Okay, paano tingnan natin? Oh, nice. I need it.
Picture cellphone mo.
Sige. I need it. I don't have...
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Me?
Ay. Bongga, wala.
Pamo
ako. Agaw. Agaw. Bagay pala sa kamay. Thank you. So guys, nabili kami ng damit. At ayan na po. Ay, eto. Malalaki kasi yung shorts nila.
Feeling ko kasha sa ito lang.
Hindi, ayoko na ganyan kalaki.
Okay.
100, I will buy one.
You
Please.
have another?
No, already.
100.
What's this?
You can't.
100, okay?
Mamut 30 baht.
What's this?
Oh, nice.
Ah.
Play. Yeah. Is napaka-cool na kanyang pumaypay look, oh. The pumaypay. Ay nagiging sombrero. Bongga, panalo. Ay, nice. Like a frog. So guys, this is very nice pumaypay. Look at this. And this pumaypay can make look. Tada! Very cool.
Yeah, 200 baht.
200 baht, that's so cool. Maingay, no? Can I sing it? Ang cool nila. Ang galing nila gumawa.
Can you take me video?
Ang galing nila. How do they do this?
Thank you.
That's very nice. Nice. You're doing it?
For the star.
For the scarf. Oh, very nice. So guys, yung mga tinda nila dito ginagawa talaga nila handmade for the scarf daw. So look. Wow. So this is handmade. Wow, nice. Thank you. What's her name?
How much?
Phone? Hi, Phone.
How much?
200.
200.
And discount. 2 for 300.
Yeah, thank you.
500 baht.
Oh, you told me. Hindi, 80 kasi yung ako for 80. Super siya. Thank you.
Yeah, I give you 600.
Bibigyan
Yeah.
ka.
Ano?
Oo.
Nice. Ano yan?
Yung kanilang
Patuto.
history. Ay, siya yung bata. Oh.
The Secret Giraffe. Oh, giraffe woman. Oh, nice. Yeah, I saw you on TV, on TikTok. How long is your, oh, nice. Yeah, how long?
30.
30 years? Oh my God, too big. You can remove. I wanna see you can remove. We can see. You can remove. That's fine. I like that one. Remove. Very long, very beautiful. That's very nice.
Mahirap talaga kapag tatanggal.
Mm-mm. So guys, here is, what's her name? Name. Okay, we're going to buy that. Okay. Thank you, that's fine. So guys, eto bumili kami kay, what's her name? Manwa. Marwa. So Miss Marwa, thank you so much. 500 baht. You're so beautiful.
This one, tatlo na ba yan?
Dalawa lang. 30 years on the neck? 30 years. Thank you. So guys, tapos na kami dun sa camp and nahanapan na namin yung boat namin papunta sa train market. Kuya! At ito na ang aming napakagaling na driver, boat lover. Driver, boat lover. So ayan, paatras siya. O diba, ang haba-haba ng makina nila. Mashallah. Pag ganun ka, this will go like that, no? Ano ba yung harap? So guys, nandito kami ngayon sa train market. Hindi ko alam kung pwede sumakay sa train, pero pupunta kami din sa mga tindahan kung saan dadaan ng train. Likod ba to? Oh. So guys, nandito kami ngayon sa Riles. So 3:30 pa tayo yung next train. So every 30 minutes yata siya. So let's go.
Ikaw ma?
30.
30.
Yeah.
Pasok.
2. Oh, one more. Oh.
Hi! 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 Hi!
Oh, nice.
Thank you ma.
Tama ka. Thank you. So guys, hello. Hi.
Ano lasa?
Awang. Parang great. Oh. Galit na galit ah. Hi. 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 Yeah, one more. Hey. One more, go. Open it. So, it's a dancing buko seller. By one. Open it with hoy. Open. Which one good?
Ani.
This one, open. Hoy. Tingnan natin.
Thank you.
So, ito try namin itong durian. Oh my God, ang lambot pala niya.
Tamis kaya?
Naku, nakakatakot ang baho. Ay! Say!
Wow!
I'm gonna try to durian na. Oh my God!
Durian.
Diba mo?
Gila.
Hey! Ba't medyo pakla?
We
Ay!
for you đây.
Ay! Hindi ko siya masyadong trip.
Sila natin. Ay! Ano yan?
Kaya try! Try! Ay! Ay! One for you, you eat. If you don't eat, we will not pay. You eat. Ay! Yeah, eat. If you don't eat, I will not pay. Eat this. Bye. Enjoy. So guys, ayan, parami yung mga turista dito. Let's go. Thank you. Bye. So ayan. Ang dami mabibili dito sa railway market kaysa doon sa iba kasi ang mamahal doon sa iba, dito ang mamura. Annyeong. So maghihintay kami ng 3:30, so 15 minutes na lang at dadaan ng train. So guys, everyone is waiting for the train. 4 minutes na lang at dadaan ang train. Ayun na daw, nag-a-announce na sila. Nagre-ready na po ang mga tao. Everyone is ready na.
no safe นะ วันนี้ก็มีคนหนึ่งไม่อ่อยโหไล่คนอื่นเลยอ่ะ
And guys, they are preparing na because the train will pass na in a few minutes. So 3:30 sakto dadaan yung train. Let's go. Ayun na guys, it's all cleared na. Train na lang ang hinihintay. I can hear it. Ang maganda yan after kasi bigla sila mabubukasan lahat. Sila lahat, lalagay na rin nila lahat ulit. So guys, medyo tahimigan lahat habang naghihintay ang train. So ayun na, nagpuput-put na, tantagal. So nag-i-stop lahat ng mga bentahan. Maulan-ulan pa ngayon. Ayun na guys.
Ganun talaga ka.
Nakakabilis mo, subilis pa yung ulan. It's raining! Paliko kasi kaya siguro bumagilo. So ayun sila guys, mga naghihintay, nag-picture, talagang tourist spot na tourist spot talaga tayo. Move!
ไปมานะครับน้อง
Ayun na.
ทันจ้ะทันจ้ะ
No, don't. Oh my god, there's the train. Medyo mabagal lang pala siya kasi pag binilisan niya, pwede mamatay yung mga tao. Woo! Oh my god. Hello! Sawadee guys! Hi! Hello! Hello! And oh my god! And I'm praying. Hi! Hello! Hello! Hi! Enjoy the ride! At ayun na, nagbukaso na ulit ang mga tindahan. Ayun na, they're going to start to open na yung mga tindahan dito. O diba? Bongga. Open na ulit. Ayan, o diba? That's the train! Yay! So guys, naulan na po dito. Pero ayan, naglalakad-lakad kami dito, naulan na. So ayan, naulan na dito. Umaaraw, umuulan. So madami na kami nabili dito, so tama na kami. Pagod na kami, kailangan na magpahinga. Okay, let's go! So guys, it's our last night here in Thailand. So medyo na problema kami ni Kuya Ronnie kasi ang dami namin pamili. So backpackers lang kami. So ayun na yung mga dala namin. Ayun lang, si Kuya Ronnie nakamaleta. So hindi namin pagkasya yung mga gamit. Pumunta kami kanina doon sa sa Bangkok mismo. Doon sa night market. Wala naman tinda mga maleta, so instead ang puro tinda nila is puro pagkain, and then puro damit, muntik pa kami mapabili, so madadagdagan pa. Pero pinagpilitan namin at ayun na, nakaprepare na si Kuya Ronnie. Yeah, so tomorrow sa naman kami. Okay, sige.